And yeah, this is the 2500 1000cc man of the Rocket 3 Scorpio से भी बड़ी इंजन है यार इसमें. Nice ride. Just come out. I mean, not like a ride. Just had to run to the chemist, to the drugstore. So yeah, it feels nice. It's beautiful actually in the night. The power, the sound, and of course the heat radiating from there is much lesser, or actually not felt at all. Let's look at her. That's one beautiful machine. 2,500 horses, baby. Let's go back home now. Okay, let's hear how she sounds. Alright, so the engine's fired up. It's a standard tram, so you need to press the clutch even though the bike is in neutral and you want to crank it up. If you look closely, you can see a light shake. And anyway, time to ride back. So day one of owning this big beast. Well, I can't say it's nice. It was not easy bringing this beast home. That's 300 kg of pure muscle. Not easy to maneuver this in the traffic. And definitely a heat source. Something closer to the sun. But what do you expect when this engine is bigger than even most of the cars on the road and even the SUVs? So let's see how it goes. Day one, 24 hours of this. So far so good. Okay, so first cargo being carried on the Rocket 3. These are my two ceiling fans in my fantastic MISC backpack. Day 2 of owning this beast, and I found that it says that the fob battery is low. So remember, 2032, this is the most common size of the batteries around. And please buy Duracell or buy a good brand. Don't buy the cheap ones, otherwise it's gonna, give you low battery in a few days again. So let's change this. This FOB isn't like the other ones where you can just pull out, like the BMW, my GS, or the Honda. You can just pull it out. Here it has a small Allen key that we need to release. I think it's about 1.5 millimeter. So we'll use my Allen key set, pull it out and drop it down. So use my Allen key and then take it off. So as usual, getting my Leatherman to do all of this. You don't need one, but I just need to be a bit fancy. And the new one. Slide from the back and click. This goes back in. And the Allen key. And that's it. So let's go and test it on the bike a bit later. Now we're busy and getting ready to head to the gym. So let's go. Day 2 of owning the beast. So this is day 4 or day 5 of owning this beast. The Rocket 3, baby. And customary to come to this place. This is the end of Carter Road. And here you see this is an old fishing village called Kardanda, and they're drying some boombills. No, I think they're drying some small shrimp, baby shrimp. Here we call them as kardi. So yes, that's it. Day 5 and day 4. I'm here with my daughter. Zeli, wave out. How do you like the bike? You need to be louder, baby.
100%.
100% like or dislike?
Like.
100 is not enough.
200.
Alright. So the bike's good. Bike's fantastic. The only problem is it's a beast. So it's definitely going to heat up, and it's a furnace out there. But well, 2,500cc, baby. 220 Newton meter of torque. It's fantastic. And as customary, we bless the bike. And yes, with the grace of God, with His presence, with His care on us, definitely I don't need to ride like a madman because I'm getting things onto me. So be safe, stay safe. Sally, bye-bye.
Bye.
So went out again in the city, and it's time for a gym ride. So let's see how this feels. Let it get a cold start. So let it warm up a bit. We got the mic right there. And then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's take a vlog on the way to the gym. Yeah, let's see how this feels in traffic. And let's see how it responds. Go in, hold tight. Yeah, doesn't mean we're going to rock it out, baby. You just hold tight so that you don't drop the phone. Alright, so let's get rolling, man. I got the red light. The lights turn green, red's green. And in serious traffic. But yeah, it's still moving a bit. So it feels easy to handle. Not that bad. Yeah, but the best part about the bike is it's low. So even though being low, your legs, an average guy 5'6", 5'7" is flat-footed. So it's easy to handle in traffic, though being big, and it's CG. The center of gravity is quite low, so it's easy to handle this machine even in traffic. Wow. Let me tell you, the engine, it's a furnace. I feel like my legs are close to the sun, and if I wore shorts for like 20 minutes in traffic, you'd have grilled Sean's legs. I hope the other mic is capturing the actual thunder, the sound. Oh, look at this champion. Yo, boss. Yo, hello, sir. Hold tight. Now time to throttle. Okay, let's throttle out. So that's how the engine will rev and shoot a sound. So just park the beast at the gym and let me take off the mic. And that's it. Actually, it's got a bit dirty after the ride around. So one more day of riding this beast again. So this time a night ride. And we've come to Baba Faluda. So Tinks is riding my bike. And I'm on the X. I think this is day 6. Oh no, day 5. Day 5. Let me tell you, today I was pretty stupid to take the beast to the gym. Not regularly, but in short pants. Whew, almost got burned by a few pieces here. So remember, do not never ride this bike in short pants, and especially in traffic. It is suicidal. Well, that's it for now. Stay tuned, stay safe, and let's have more fun on this vlog for the Rocket Baby Ride 2500cc. And that's how the rocket looks in a thermal imaging camera. On after a ride.